guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a great day. Guess what we're doing? We're picking up the Evo 9 MR. I'm so stoked. We got the Toyota Celica GTS in the background. Look how beautiful this looks. It's got freshly washed. Oh my gosh, this car looks amazing. So nice. I got my fiance in there. She's riding the passenger seat. Look at those wheels. We cleaned up the wheels. Of course, we're buying $5 gas right now. So expensive, and I'm buying an Evo. How great is that? So what we're doing is we're taking the Celica GTS. We're gonna go pick up the Evo. That'll be today's video. We'll do like the pickup video. Then we're gonna go over to probably next video. Miles from English has done a ton of stuff, or English Racing has, to the Evo 9, and I'm gonna go over the entire car and show you everything that's been done to it. There's been so much work done to it, and they did a great job. So I'm really thankful for it. But we're gonna go ahead and jump in the car. We're gonna top off the Celica and head on out. So let's go. I'm excited. That is the most I've paid for gas in a long time for a Toyota Celica. You guys see that number right there? $67, holy smokes. But the Celica does still get good gas mileage. Let's roll. Nothing better than a full tank of gas. Swing by MITSUBISHI.com, grab your TRD badge, of course. We have exactly 99 miles to drive to go get the Evo. Still, again, it's really nice of English for them to actually go ahead and bring me my Evo 9. It was probably 3 hours away, and now it's only an hour and a half away, which is really nice because they brought it to the ridge. So we're in the Toyota Celica right now. We're gonna drive for 99 miles, so about an hour and a half, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick up the Evo 9. I'm so excited. It's been about 2.5 months, and next video I'll go over everything they did, all the mods, all the upgrades, everything. They didn't really mod it, it's still 100% stock. They did put a new clutch in, and I'm excited to talk about it. So let's go ahead and jump, let's keep going.
YouTube! Welcome back to Mitch's channel. Now I'm taking over, he already did the introductions, but we're on our way to yet again pick up another family edition. You've heard it before if you watched any of his videos, and I was in it, where we were picking up the Lotus, and I'm always going with him on these road trips to pick up an additional car, and now it's the Evo's time. Now, I said it when I was giving a review about the Lotus, is that I really miss the Evo that we once had. We used it all the time as a daily driver. It got down, the red, everything. I was a really big fan, more than other cars. And so I was really devastated when we lost that one. Well, now we're on our way to pick up a new one. This one's a little different though. It's more unique, I would say. It's older. It's a little bit more beat up, but you know the transformation stories. Mitch works magic. It's gonna be one heck of a car after he's done with it. Magic Mitch. But we are in Shelton today. Tickets are on sale now. Yeah, you guys hear that? Leave your comments down below if you want a ticket to Magic Mitch show. But we're on our way in Shelton now. We drove about an hour and a half to get here, so it's definitely worth it. We're pulling up to a raceway, so we're gonna get some other vehicles racing, but really the pride and joy is that we're picking up the Evo. What kind of Evo is it, babe?
Evo 9.
Evo 9, guys, it's a 9. You already know that.
In Rally Red.
In Rally Red, there's been so many things done to it by these mechanics with Ricardos. Ricardos? Did I say it wrong? Yeah. I always say it wrong because
Ricardos.
Ricardos. He knows me. He knows exactly what I'm saying wrong, but they've done a lot to it already, but the best is yet to come, okay? We're talking big power in the future. We're talking customization.
Not that big. Some power.
Some power. Correction. Sorry. I might be over enthusiastic because I'm super excited, but we will show you more to come. Keep watching the videos, like and subscribe for more, and let's see this thing.
All right, guys, we just made it to the ridge. It's really busy today. Oh, I think English is running out right now. Look at this license plate in the back of this 911 GTS. The license plate says no turbo. That is so funny. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Gabrielle is trying to zoom in. There you go, she got it. Thanks, Gabriella. Nice help. You guys see that? All right, Gabriella, what do you think? You see it?
Woo! From afar. Yeah, I see it.
We're coming up on it. They moved it over to the corner. Here's English. So nice that they brought it. There it is! Evo 9 is back from the grave.
Oh, you're right.
It's beautiful, right, Gabriella? Oh my gosh. I'm so stoked. We've made it! Evo 9, authentic Evo 9 MR. Let's go. Let's go. Perfect. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's an Evo.
Yeah. It's an Evo.
It's an Evo.
Yeah.
I'm stoked. I'm here. I'm happy. There's Miles over there. He's getting ready. Let's get out and check it out, Gabriella.
Yes. Can you park here?
I'm parking here.
You're over the white line.
I live on the white line, Gabriella. I don't live on any white lines.
Okay.
All right, we got them together. Yeah, I got a new windshield. So stoked. Okay, just remember, look how shiny the CELICA is right now. The CELICA didn't look like this when I got it. Do you remember?
That is true.
Yeah, you remember?
I already told your audience that you know that he's a transformation king, so he's gonna take a little of that.
She used the word,
like that?
no, she used the word Magic Mitch. That's my name. So we got here, we got it, we're gonna check it out. Hey guys, what's up, Miles? What's up, guys? Good. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. So, guys, we're good. Just go for it.
Yep.
Yeah. This is Miles right here from English. We're at the Ridge. We got the Evo 9 MR, the one that's good and drivable. Remember?
As good as drivable as it's gonna be right now.
Yeah.
So the next thing happens.
Yeah. So when I brought it to you, it was just tons of problems, right?
There's a lot of problems. I mean, like the first thing you're like, yeah, I think 4th, 5th, 6th gear not working. Got on the lift. The fill plug was out of the Evo, so that means that all the oil just came out. The front lower control arms were so worn. The bushings were oblong instead of circular, so we had to do different control arms. I mean, probably there's a bunch more things that were wrong that I can't remember right now.
It was a sketch car, right?
It was a pretty sketchy car. Getting in it and driving like the guy said he would, there's no way.
Yeah. So you remember I was in Arizona when I got it, and I made it to Vegas. And then there was no way we're getting back to Washington. So I brought it to them.
It has seized itself.
Yeah, it would have seized itself, or the wheel would have came off or something like that.
Yeah.
So what have we done since I brought it to you guys? We did a clutch.
We did alignment, we did lower control arms, we did a training you brought us because they can't rebuild these ones and the one you had is bad anyway. We tuned it, I mean it's like a bone stock car. I think it made 261. It's like a bone stock car, so I mean it's ready for the bolt-on stuff here to go for sure.
So you tuned it, and then you said it was kind of running icky, not good. So was there a tune on it before? It just wasn't running good. You needed new plugs, or what was it?
It's probably plugged. I feel like we did a fuel pump, but I don't quite remember. Actually, one thing I noticed, this has an Evo 8 blow-off valve on it. So someone must have put stuff back on this because this isn't an Evo 9 blow-off. It's actually Evo 8.
Right here, the black one.
Yeah, the black one. The Evo 9 ones are metal.
Evo 9 ones are metal.
I feel like someone probably had stuff done to it and maybe reverted the car back
to stock.
Yeah.
That was one of the things, and then he did put it up on, you guys had the lift, it had the stock exhaust on it.
Stock exhaust,
crazy.
stock cat, stock everything.
All the way, but I never see that, especially on a 9.
It's hard to find.
Yeah, hard to find. And then like I said, we did go back and we did get an MR transmission, the 6-speed, and it goes good now, right?
Yeah.
And then what clutch did you put on it?
ME2 HDSS, so ACT.
And it's good, right? That's because I was trying to get you to do the comp, and you're like, no. He's like, no.
On the single disc Evo
I want to do
stuff,
a comp.
the comps just aren't quite as good.
Really? Yeah. So he talked me into it, and we went with the ACT. It's the one that he recommended. What else did we do? I think you fixed something with the rear exhaust was vibrating O2 sensors. We did.
Yeah. I literally. I wish I had rehearsed this more.
No, you're good.
I'd have looked at the work order. I'd have had everything memorized, ready to go.
It's all good. We did a lot. I think it's good to drive now. So what we're going to be doing, of course, like you just said, we'll do bolt-ons. I don't want any crazy power, so I want like 350 because you know that's what you're saying was comfortable with this transmission.
I mean, you can make more on the 6-speeds. Like 1 through 4 are really big on the 6-speed. 4, 5, 6 just get smaller as you go, and really 350 horse in these is real fun.
Real fun.
That doesn't, you know,
good
just
street
your basic
car,
bolt-ons, yeah.
daily. Just need to make it shiny. That's all I gotta do.
Exactly.
So we'll do the bolt-ons. What do you recommend for that to get the 350?
I mean, it gets in a cooler kit, lower intercooler pipe, exhaust of some sort, downpipe. Figure out if you want an O2 dump or an O2 housing.
Oh yeah.
Fuel pump if we didn't do one.
Yeah.
We did fuel pump.
Injectors.
Doesn't need injectors
Doesn't
for
need
that,
injectors,
really,
wow.
and then just a boost controller and change the blow-off valve.
It's crap.
He got any funny jokes, he says. And then change the blow-off valve to an Evo 9 one.
An Evo 9 okay. Do you like Turbo Smart blow-up valves?
You can do Turbo Smart
Yeah.
one. They have a dual port style Turbo Smart blow-off
Do that
valve. Those
one?
work good too.
Yeah, I like the look, and they sound really good with
They
those.
make a no more of a noise.
That's what I had on the 10.
If you road race the car, though, I would definitely, or ever want a track day,
Yeah.
stay away from anything like that, because the factory Evo 9 blow-off valve works so well for pedal modulation and surge. So
Stay actually with that, the Evo 9.
stay with an Evo 9.
Okay, I didn't know that. So we'll have to look for an Evo 9 one. Next thing we're gonna do probably is, I don't think I'm gonna get it painted right away, but I'm gonna get like the new fenders on the side, like I said, and then we'll just, and oh, I did get a new windshield. That was a big thing. You guys remember that one?
Yeah.
The windshield. He's like, hey.
Nice and fancy now.
Yeah, he goes and says, hey, do you want us to do the windshield? I was like, yes, sir, let's do it. So I got a new windshield. So awesome. Well, thank you so much,
Yeah, no
man.
problem,
I really
man. Nice to
appreciate it.
see
You guys, this is Myles at English. I'll have all his stuff down below. He has like one of my favorite cars, the Integra.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's literally the fastest Integra ever in the world. It's insane. How much horsepower?
It's made 1420. I think it makes a little more than that right now. But
1500 horsepower. All-wheel drive too. How sick is that?
Yeah.
That is
Ready to break more stuff, yeah.
yeah. And he actually drives it sometimes on the street too. You gotta watch it. So I'll have all his stuff linked below. Check it out. It's one of my favorite. We're gonna turbo the Celica soon. We're not gonna be getting 1500 horsepower, maybe 300, which would be awesome. All right, guys. So we'll go. Now we're gonna head back and drive back to where we are. We're gonna do a couple more walk-arounds with the Celica and the Evo. Let's continue going on. Celica or Evo 9? Comment down below. Guys, listen to this thing. It sounds amazing. Oh, the new transmission. New used. How many miles are on it? 67,000 miles on the transmission. Less than what was on the car. I love it. I love it. We got the dyno here. Nice. Pretty smooth. Max power at 6,400 RPM. 6,300 RPM is max power. Pretty sweet. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It's so quiet. But look how shiny that thing is. This right here looked a lot like that when I got it. I don't know if you guys remember. It looks really good. This looks really nice right now. I know there's a little bit, I should have painted this. Clear coat, I'll fix it. But that being said, that car is going to be amazing, and it just needs a lot of love. It really does, but it'll be absolutely insane. I'm really excited I finally got to pick it up. I'm really, really excited. This will be a great car. This will be on the YouTube channel probably for like 2.5 years. It's gonna take a long time for actually to get it all built up to where I want it to be. And at the end of the day, it's an Evo 9 MR 6-speed with apparently an Evo 8 BOV. What's up with that? Okay.
Time to take her home.
Let's do it. So, a lot of racing. English's Evo looks amazing. I think it's Evo 9 or Evo 8, I'm not sure. It looks amazing with the wrap on it.
Oh my gosh,
pretty
the wrap
cool.
is so cool. One of a kind. It's awesome.
And then here's our S2000. Oh, we got it. Here's the S2000. Check out this S2000. Has pink wheels. It's so sick. This is Dan's driving right here. Pretty awesome. Oh, sorry. There goes your foot. It's pretty loud, so we're gonna go head out. We've acquired the Evo, the big project Evo. You guys are saying, Mitch, when's the Celica getting turboed? Soon. We're gonna finish the MR2, and then I'm gonna daily drive the Evo. I guess it's pretty ugly right now, but I'm gonna daily drive the Evo for a while, I think. Or maybe I'll drive the MR2. What am I talking about? I'll drive the MR2, and the Evo is just gonna be a project that we're gonna address later. Because you guys said, Mitch, you gotta turbo the Celica first, which I agree, so we'll do that. So let's go ahead and head in the cars, head out, leave the ridge. It's pretty cool, we're picking it up. I'm really thankful for English that they brought this car, really, really nice of them. Let's go. All right, here we go. Look how nice that Celica looks in that mirror. All right, we'll say goodbye to English. It's awesome. Bye, guys. Thanks, thank you. Guys, we're in the cozy Evo 9. Got the GTS behind me. I already raced a Mustang GT. I think I took the W. It was so funny. He goes like, I couldn't hear because he's pulling up right next to me. And then I walked him by like 2 cars. I was like, I couldn't see you. Freaking Evo. It's quick. It's so much better. I'm glad they tuned it. It's not fast. The Evo 10 was definitely faster, but I'm excited to do all the wonderful things to it. I really, really appreciate English taking care of this car and doing a good job. They are amazing. I'm gonna link all their stuff down below. I really, really do support them. They've been in the industry for a very long time. So if you need anything done at any pretty much JDM car at all, they'll take care of all the JDM cars, and they will do pretty much the entire west coast of the United States. They do a really, really good job. So that's it for this video. We picked up the Evo 9. We're gonna head home. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com, check out English's stuff. Myles, thank you again. I really appreciate you. See you guys in the next video.